How to install Dorman Products' third brake lamp. Before you begin, be sure to disconnect the vehicle's battery. Begin the installation by unlocking and raising the liftgate. Next, unscrew and remove the handle from the liftgate. Remove the trim pins at the top of the liftgate. Take off the trunk lock cover and lock. Next, remove the trim to access the ballast. Once the ballast is visible, take the rubber plugs off from both sides. Unscrew the ballaster and let dangle. Disconnect the connector piece and unscrew the bolts behind ballaster. Locate and drill through the plastic points. Disconnect both colored connectors on both sides of the ballaster. Once loose, close gate and replace the brake light.